JDCap26 here, just do tips, affairs, and hobbies. I hope you guys are doing well today, and I want to show you this little device here. This is a um, Big Dogs, I think it's called. It's a recording device, and you can find them on eBay. And once you learn how to use the instructions on how to record stuff, you can record your voice, sounds, anything you want. You could put this in a card. You could record something and put it in a box and send it to your friend or your girlfriend or whatever, or with flowers. So it's a really neat device, really, and they're about $10. And I got the instructions here. I'm going to put the instructions for you on how to use this particular one. It also has a sticky thing on the back, and you can stick it where you want on the back. You just peel that off. I'm gonna put the instructions how to use this below, and I'm sure you'll get help from the seller too. But I'm gonna use this for one of my robot toys, and I recorded some sounds for the robot toy, and I also sync the robot toy and the lighting to this. So you just turn the button on for the lighting, and then you turn this on, and it talks. It's really cool. So I'll have the instructions for you down there in the comments and also in the description. And I hope you have a good day. And thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.